Year from Hawaii. Midnight in Hawaii, boys and girls. I've been saving this. I don't drink Keystone Ice very often. I'm a Keystone Lite kind of guy. Here's to a new year and success. God, I hate Keystone Ice. My favorite song up until Band on the Run took over. This was it. All those years ago in the Maverick with the Woofers and Tweeters. Yes. Yes. Owner of a Lonely Heart. It went to #1 in 1982. Maybe it was 83. I was delivering pizzas in college. Man, that tastes terrible. I gotta put this bitch on ice. Enjoy your year, I will. Sleep dog out.